Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need two things before you start: permission to install from unknown sources and a Chromium-based browser that supports desktop extensions. First, enable Install Apps from the source for the browser in Settings. Once done, open the browser and go to Developer Add-on Controls or prepare the CRX file on your device. Make sure you have storage access. This lets the browser import the extension package. Now you're ready to load the extension file into the browser's extensions page and start installation. You'll now load the extension and configure it. Open the browser's extensions page, enable developer mode, and choose Load Unpacked if you extracted the package. Alternatively, drag and drop the CRX file onto the page. The browser will prompt for permissions. Read them and accept only what's necessary. Once installed, pin the extension to the toolbar for quick access and open its options to sign in or adjust settings. If an extension requires desktop-only APIs, try alternative builds or companion apps to bridge function. Finish by restarting the browser, then test the extension on the sites where you need it. If the extension behaves oddly, disable other extensions and clear cache to rule out conflicts. Sometimes resource limits on Android cause crashes. Once done, reinstall a fresh copy or switch to another Chromium-based browser if issues continue. One key troubleshooting tip: if the extension fails to install, check Android storage permissions and developer mode settings. Fixing those usually resolves most installation errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.